Welcome back to the new video, guys. In this video I want to tell you something that we all have remaining 3 months, 4 months. Okay, September, October, November, December. We have 4 months remaining, and there is a chance that we can easily get the fluency before 2025, because we all are learning English, but we are not putting energy, guys. There is a two types of things that we are taking actions. Sometimes we are putting our energy and actions, but not we desperately doing that thing, and that time we are half-hearted. Like we want to learn this language. Sometimes we face a difficulty. That time we start delay these things, like our practices on all things. But I want to tell you, guys, when you are really desperate, you really want to learn this language, and you are putting your energy, and you all know that there is a two types of energy. Sometimes we are just learning this language and saying that yes, I'm learning English, I'm learning this, that. And the other thing is when we are just focused to learn this language, fully focused, no matter what's going on in your life, what kind of difficulties you are facing, what kind of what other people are saying about your English fluent, like English level. No matter how what your English level is, but if you if you commit to yourself that yes, this is the time that I commit to myself that I will learn this language, I will get the fluency for sure. So you will definitely get that. And you know what, if I tell you like I am learning English, you all know, like, you are my subscribers, you are not subscribed yet, no matter. But if if you are watching my videos, I always telling you that I start learning English in last year, in 2023, and I've been not consistent. But recently in June month I started, you all know. And June, July, August and September, it's almost I've been 3 months since I started, and I was not that much I was not consistent in my last year when I started. So in this video I want to tell you, we have a lot of time, we can easily get the fluency before entering 2025. So just put your efforts, good efforts. And I can say what good efforts, like if I tell you that what I'm saying. So I just wanted to tell you that put desperately efforts, like put efforts desperately, not half-hearted. If you are not feeling good, take a deep breath, go out somewhere and get back to your home, and come back to your home and start just sit down and think what you will do in your future. I'm in Rishikesh right now, and I'm making this video, and that's why I'm not that much comfortable, because when we are making videos somewhere, we are not making every day. But when we make videos somewhere there we are not comfortable, that time it might not be a good comfortable thing. But I'm pushing myself to be comfortable at any place, and I will definitely be more comfortable in my future. So this video is just about, we have a lot of time, we have enough time to learn anything. And before entering 2024, guys, I tell you, just do this, no matter what other people are thinking about you, no matter like what's your feelings. You are nervous, you are not comfortable, just do this. And I thought I think I should start putting more energy to my English, and I will do it for sure. Okay, so stay tuned. I know that my channel is not but why I'm saying yes, but the truth is my channel is not going in a good way, because my subscribers are not watching my videos, all videos. I got around 2,000 subscribers, but my views in last 1 week, I think it's been around under 500. sometimes it's more than 500, but around. So I want to tell you, if you are my subscriber, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe my channel if you want to watch my old videos. Okay, so I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Stay tuned. Bye bye.